Guys and gals, sweet project cars with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer and simple ways. This is the best mix we've ever come up with. How to make your own tire protectant and make it go and last longer. Left side of the tape has been untreated and this side has been treated, and guess what? It's been on there for weeks and weeks and weeks and it still looks the same. Let's take a look at a few other things. Alright, it's pretty windy here in Pensacola, but this side here, this has probably never been treated in the 20 years of its life, and you can see this by going like this. See that? This needs to be, all your rubber needs to be cleaned with Old 99, spray it on, wipe it off. This is what happens when you don't do it. It's more of a satin finish, so if you don't want the shiny finish to last and last and last, then don't clean it with the Old 99. This side here was cleaned with Old 99, just this little spot here, and you see how beautiful that looks. And it's been on there for weeks. We've been testing this. Julio's been busy testing and testing. Julio, tell everyone where they can find all these tools and products.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio Cesar Chavez Rodriguez. All right, I wanted to share this with you. This is rubber trim around a window. We left this spot untreated, and it's been that way for weeks and weeks and weeks. This is a vinyl coated aluminum, and look at this. That spot's untreated, and look how beautiful that looks. Clean it with Old 99 first and then put it on, and you will not believe it. You have to realize 303 has went through the roof in price, and we have found a way to mix 3 ingredients to save yourself a boatload of cash and to be able to what? Make your rubber last longer than anything you've ever done before. This is another spot on this trim. Right here was left untreated only one time on each side of it with our special mix. And it's been weeks and weeks and weeks, probably 9-10 weeks, and it still looks as beautiful on both sides of this compared to that, and there's been no protection for that. This is vinyl coated aluminum. It works on vinyl, leather, and guess what? Rubber, mainly your tires. All right, here's the mixture. 4 ounces of this, 4 ounces of this, 24 ounces of this, and this is what you'll end up with. You put it in the bottle. You take this here, screw it shut, shake it up every time before you use it, spray it on in a nice fine mist, let it soak for at least a half hour, then reapply, wipe it clean. You'll use very little of it.